So now what we need to do is that we need to install Flask. In order to install Flask, first of all, you need to open up your terminal if you are a Mac user. If you are a Windows user, you need to open CMD. CMD. CMD in Windows and terminal in Mac. In Mac, just type terminal and open the terminal, where this is the terminal. And once you have opened the terminal, you need to type the following. You need to type pip 3 and then install Flask. If you are using Python 3, you need to say pip 3. If you aren't using Python 3, you need to say just pip without 3. But I'd highly recommend using Python 3. So I have already shown you how to install Python 3. So after you have typed this pip3 install Flask, hit enter, and this is going to start installing Flask. And since I have already installed Flask, it says here requirement already satisfied, because I have already installed Flask. Otherwise, it's going to take some time to install Flask, and Flask will be installed, and it's going to show you a message that the package has been installed successfully.